Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I do regular unboxing and product review in a more of a mindful consumption way. So I don't do hauls specifically, but I do regularly purchase luxury items to reward myself or for special occasions, and I do like to share them on the channel with you. So if this is the type of content you enjoy, please consider subscribing, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. So this is my first purchase from Van Cleef and Arpels. As you have seen, the packaging of items purchased from this brand is of excellent quality. I am really a sucker for beautiful packaging, and I guess that's why I'm into luxury purchase, because they do very well packaging most of the time. And here is the actual purchase. I'll just gently slide off the ribbon because I can never retie the ribbon the same way as they do in the store. And you also here get this booklet where it's actually an envelope for you to put in the authenticity certificate, which I have actually put in a different envelope with my receipt, as per my SA's advice, because it really goes hand in hand in terms of the receipt and the authenticity certificate. If you do need to bring it back to the store for repair and servicing, it's handy to have those two pieces of evidence together in one place. They're the most important documents with the purchase. So here is the beautiful Van Cleef box, and it's quite a sturdy and good quality. And here it is. Look, it may be a bit of a cliche item for those of you who has been into luxury jewelry and watching luxury YouTube channel. I guess it's something that everyone's pretty much purchased if they were thinking of purchasing something from Van Cleef. This is more like the entry sort of style. Is the 5 motif bracelet. Look, I was pondering whether to get the gold Alhambra 5 motif rather than having the onyx, but when I went to the store and tried them, I really find the gold motif is a bit lacking in substance. It's actually very thin, each of the motifs, whereas the ones with the stones inside actually, it's thicker in terms of the motif thickness, and so it actually stands out more than the plain gold one. So this is the bracelet in its original length. I could actually get it resized because my wrist is a bit too small even for this length, as you can see here, but I kind of contemplated whether to resize, and then I decided not to, because really call me cheap or however you want. I just feel like when I resize it, I'm actually losing some of the gold, and with my wrist size, I could actually wear it so that one of the motif dangle instead. So I decided to just leave the length as it is. And also you can actually wear this as a necklace. The Van Cleef essay tells me that it's quite common for people to buy another one of the same style later on and combine them into a necklace. So to, if I was to have it shortened, then it wouldn't work as well. But then I decided to try a different way. Look, this is by no means, I guess, very creative. I'm pretty sure this has been shown in other YouTube videos, but I decided to sort of grab one of my plain gold necklace that I have in my collection, that was gifted to me by my mum many years ago. So I decided to just click this, link them together basically, and this is how this would show. I think it just works quite well actually. I'm beginning to think that if I was to buy 2 bracelets from Van Cleef and join them together, one, it would be a lot more expensive, and secondly, I don't know whether I would like that style as much, because it would be too over the top, I feel, for me to have onyx motifs all the way through. Whereas if I was to do it this way, it becomes more like a centerpiece, and draws the attention to one part of the necklace. And I think I actually prefer this way rather than linking two of the onyx motifs together. So this is it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribe to my channel, please consider doing so. As always, thank you for your support, and until next time, you all take care. Bye.